Have you ever felt like you're experiencing more than just the physical world around you? Many believe we are on the brink of a spiritual evolution, moving towards a higher state of consciousness known as the fifth dimension. Today, we'll explore 6 telltale signs that you might be ascending to the fifth dimension. As you listen, see if these signs resonate with your personal experiences and feelings. Let's dive in and discover the amazing possibilities that lie ahead in your spiritual growth. The concept of the fifth dimension is gaining popularity among those interested in spirituality and personal growth. But what exactly is the fifth dimension? It's not a physical place, but rather a shift in consciousness and perception. This dimension represents a higher state of awareness where we experience a deeper connection with the universe and our true selves. People who are ascending to the fifth dimension often feel a profound sense of peace, love, and unity with all that exists. This shift goes beyond our traditional understanding of reality and opens us to new ways of experiencing life. As we ascend, we leave behind old patterns and limitations, stepping into a world of infinite possibilities and higher vibrational frequencies. One of the first signs that you are ascending to the fifth dimension is a heightened sense of intuition. Intuition is that inner knowing or gut feeling that guides you without logical reasoning. As you ascend, you might notice that your intuition becomes more pronounced and accurate. You begin to trust your inner guidance more than ever before. This intuitive sense can manifest in various ways, such as knowing who is calling before you answer the phone, sensing the outcome of a situation, or feeling an urge to follow a certain path that turns out to be the right one. This heightened intuition is a sign that you are tuning into higher frequencies and aligning with the flow of the universe. Pay attention to these intuitive nudges as they are guiding you towards your highest good. Another sign of ascending to the fifth dimension is an increased sense of empathy and compassion. As your consciousness expands, you begin to feel a deeper connection with others and the world around you. This heightened empathy allows you to understand and share the feelings of others more profoundly. You may find yourself being more compassionate, wanting to help and support those in need. This shift towards greater empathy and compassion is a reflection of the unity consciousness that characterizes the fifth dimension. It's about recognizing that we are all interconnected and that our actions affect the whole. This deeper sense of empathy leads to more harmonious relationships and a greater sense of community and belonging. One of the most exciting signs of ascending to the fifth dimension is the ability to manifest desires more easily. In this higher state of consciousness, you become more aware of the power of your thoughts and intentions. You realize that your reality is a reflection of your inner state, and by aligning your thoughts with your desires, you can bring them into existence more effortlessly. This doesn't mean that you simply think of something and it magically appears, but rather that you become more in tune with the universal laws of attraction and manifestation. You start to notice that when you focus on positive, loving thoughts and intentions, opportunities and synchronicities begin to flow into your life. This ease of manifestation is a sign that you are in alignment with the higher frequencies of the fifth dimension. As you ascend to the fifth dimension, you will likely experience an increase in synchronicities and meaningful coincidences. Synchronicities are those seemingly random events that feel deeply significant and connected. They are like little messages from the universe, guiding you on your path. You might notice repeated numbers, chance meetings, or events that align perfectly with your intentions and desires. These synchronicities are a sign that you are in harmony with the flow of the universe and that you are being supported and guided on your spiritual path. Pay attention to these occurrences, as they are often signs that you are on the right track and moving in the direction of your highest good. Another clear sign of ascending to the fifth dimension is feeling a stronger connection to nature. You may find that being in natural settings brings you a deep sense of peace and rejuvenation. This connection to nature is a reflection of the unity consciousness that characterizes the fifth dimension. You begin to feel a sense of oneness with the natural world, recognizing that you are a part of a larger, interconnected whole. This stronger connection to nature often leads to a greater appreciation for the environment and a desire to protect and preserve it. Spending time in nature can be a powerful way to ground yourself and stay connected to the higher frequencies of the fifth dimension. As you ascend to the fifth dimension, you will likely experience significant shifts in your perception and consciousness. These shifts can manifest as changes in how you see and understand the world around you. You may find yourself becoming more aware of the deeper meanings and interconnectedness of life. This expanded awareness often leads to a greater sense of presence and mindfulness in your daily life. You begin to see beyond the surface level of reality and understand the underlying energy and vibrations that shape your experiences. This shift in perception is a sign that you are aligning with the higher frequencies of the fifth dimension and opening yourself to new possibilities and ways of being. As you notice these signs and experience these shifts, it's important to welcome these changes with an open heart. Recognize that these experiences are a natural part of your spiritual evolution and that they are leading you towards a higher state of consciousness. There are practical ways to support and nurture your spiritual growth during this time. Meditation can help you stay centered and connected to your inner guidance. Journaling can be a powerful tool for processing your experiences and gaining insights into your spiritual journey. Spending time in nature can help you stay grounded and connected to the higher frequencies of the fifth dimension. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you can support your spiritual growth and stay aligned with the flow of the universe. It's important to acknowledge that the path to higher consciousness may come with its challenges. As you ascend, you may encounter moments of doubt, confusion, or emotional turbulence. These challenges are a natural part of the process and can be seen as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. It's important to stay grounded and balanced during these times. Practicing mindfulness and staying present in the moment can help you navigate these challenges with grace and ease. Surrounding yourself with supportive and like-minded individuals can provide a sense of community and belonging. Remember that you are not alone on this path and that these challenges are a necessary part of your spiritual evolution. The signs of ascending to the fifth dimension are clear and profound. From heightened intuition and increased empathy to the ability to manifest desires more easily and experiencing synchronicities, these signs indicate that you are on the path to higher consciousness. Embracing these changes and supporting your spiritual growth can lead to a deeper sense of peace, love, and unity with all that exists. Remember that your journey is unique, and every step you take brings you closer to your true self. Keep shining your light and trust that you are exactly where you need to be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on spiritual growth. We would love to hear about your experiences and insights, so please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Thank you for watching, and remember, your journey to the fifth dimension is a beautiful and transformative process. Keep shining your light and stay connected to your true self.